Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening WordPress and confirming Elementor Pro is active because the menu widget requires it. Then go to Templates, Theme Builder, and select Header. Create a new header template or edit an existing one. This gives you a live canvas to place the menu. Once the header canvas loads, add a section with proper column layout, set width and margins, and save a draft. Make sure global site settings like container width and site identity are set first, so your menu aligns correctly across pages. Now drag the nav menu widget into the header column and select the WordPress menu you prepared. This is where content meets design. Choose the layout, horizontal, vertical, or drop-down, and adjust alignment and spacing for visual balance. Then style typography, colors, and hover pointer so items are readable. Set the mobile breakpoint and toggle labels for the hamburger menu. Once styled, preview responsive states and fine-tune padding and breakpoints to ensure a consistent experience across. Finish by setting display conditions and publishing the header so the menu appears where you want it. Test multiple pages and devices, then clear any plugin or CDN cache to see updates immediately. If the menu looks off or items are missing, check that the WordPress menu exists and is assigned to the correct theme location. Also disable conflicting plugins temporarily. If drop-downs fail, confirm Z-index and overflow settings. These fixes resolve common layering and visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.